What's up designers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. We have finally completed 10k subscribers on our channel. Thanks to each and everyone who subscribed, liked and shared the videos and made this possible. And in return, I present you the ultimate graphic design pack, which includes 10 PLF design files. Yes, you heard me correct. And along with that, you will get 200 plus PNG files that I have collected over the past 2 years. And there will be much more other than that also. I hope that this pack will help you design better and faster. The goal of the pack is to make you guys motivated to learn new things in design. And as you can see, this is what you will be getting into this 10k special pack. Before I give you the download link, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that red button right now and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Now let's get to the exciting part. The link of the pack will be available in the description below. The link that you will be hitting is going to be the second link from my upload sections. Once you hit that one, it should take you to the browser and then you will get the option to download it. That will obviously be a zip file which you will have to extract into the normal file, and here you go, you will have all my assets that I have given you into this pack. I'm going to keep this video short and new tutorial videos are dropping very soon. Comment me below if you want to have tutorial for this 10k design pose. The more you comment, the higher the chances of the video. Well, that's all for today, and I think I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks.